everyone. Let's give him a round of applause.
But Mama Tess, she always speaks love through actions, through open doors, to quiet listening, through a simple, kumain ka na ba? Or, hay nako, mas maganda ka pa kasi sa kanila. I wish you more years of good health, joy, peace, and all the love you always given to others. You are a blessing to our lives, and I'm so grateful for you.
Happy birthday muna. Yeah, love na love ka namin, lalo na ako. Tapos, stay healthy lang po palagi. Saka, kumagal na kahit wala si Kuya, wala si Heidi. Nandito kami back up lahat para sa'yo. Thank you.
At pari-pag laban na sa ko. So I wish na makuha ko lahat ng gusto niya sa life. Malipan na ako ang wish na yun ay magpumula sa akin. Happy birthday, ma. Happy birthday.
healthy, blessed, beauty, and successful pa ng mga years to come. And may you be blessed and bountiful and the best of health para sa iyo.
You know, you belong to 60. Welcome to senior and enjoy your journey for senior citizen.
Happy birthday, and sana ilagang binabasa para birthday para sa ating magkakapatid. Good health and long life for our family. Happy birthday to you.
Birthday ate, enjoy natin maglakad lagi para mag-exercise tayo at mag-enjoy pa tayo sa life. Kaya pa tayo pupuntahan. Kailangan natin mag-enjoy. Happy birthday! Thank you!